Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can display in-app previews or inside Xcode for UIKit application. So it's pretty simple. All I have done is that I have created a UIKit application, and if you see my view controller, all I have done is that I have created a UI label and assigned some text font and did some NS layout constraint to it. Now to display this in-app preview, which I am showing you on the right hand side, all you have to do is just mark it with hashtag preview once your view controller ends. So wherever your view controller ends, after that add hashtag preview, give it some name whatever you feel like, and then just initialize your view controller and return your view controller. That's it. All you have to do that. What if you have a custom view? So here you can see I have just created a custom view which extends from UI view as well. Same thing, once your custom view ends, just hashtag preview, give it some name, initialize it and return it back. So yeah, that's how simple it is. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.